Hi everybody, just a quick follow-up on the trades of the day of the GBP pairs. Let me just share my screen 1 second. Zoom. Where is it? Where is it? So, it's on the Zoom login. That's all right. Okay. There we go. Found it. Okay, so set up from today was the GU. I actually took a 1 to 5 out of this. As you can see, we broke under yesterday's previous low, broke right through, and the push was here, somewhere here. Yeah. Anyway, we got that. I got 1 to 5 out of that. Ended on a 1 to 7. It's just a quick run through. GBP, AUD. We had the 18-bar range under yesterday's previous. Got the banker's candle. Had the push. Recovered. Came back to mitigate this order, but not this order. So I still have an alarm on this order at the 88. Came back to the 71 a couple of times. So you could have got a couple of trades out of that one. That ended on a 1 to 7.5. And I am looking, because we're at the monthly low. I mean, these trades happen all the time. Well, it's 1 to 5, 1 to 7, they're everywhere. But anyway, we're currently sitting at the monthly low for March. It's an extreme area. We've had a big push, broke this little bit of structure here. No major structure's been broken yet. Possibly there. See where that crosshair is here. But for a nice move to the upside, we want to see this structure broke here, really. This is where we had some major action. So we could possibly see him come down to take these orders out. And then move to the upside. So I've got my 18-bar range put out. I just, when I come to my charts in the morning, I'll just move that into place, extend my lines accordingly. I've got my position set for tomorrow just on my trading view. What I'd like to see is have a little fumble down here, fumble, possibly a little bit of consolidation here, and then I'd like to see a nice break of structure somewhere up here to then retrace. We'll probably have a double mitigation. It'll more than likely mitigate that, then do the push off, break this structure, and then we'll have another candle possibly around between London and New York. New York's here, London's here. But yeah, we'll possibly look to have a little fumble down, mitigate there, nice push off, flag back down to a candle that gets formed around here, and then take off to the upside. Hopefully, so I don't want to go too deep in, just want to give you a quick update on the trades that have happened today. This one, The GC, it's a lovely one. This, if you're under that candle, we've had the 18 bar range pushed out the bottom. We're below the last trading day. I actually drew this on for it to come back down, and it ended where the arrows was. But yeah, we got a push there. Nice big push. So I class that as my banker's candle. After this nice little flag down, bit true price going on, and we've had a push. A little bit of imbalance on top there. Area of interest. Lo and behold, 5 pip stop loss. You could have got 1 to 13 out of that. Okay. And I'm set sort of for the same. We're at the monthly low. So we've had a nice breaker structure there. A little arrow on. We've had a nice push there, nice breaker structure. So we could get a nice flag down now. Touch that. Wait for another move off. Or you could set a pending there with us being in the extreme. The only time you don't wait for double mitigation, a lot of people that I trade with, if you're in the extreme price for the month, which this is the lowest it's been all month, you could possibly look for a rejection off these candles. Don't get me wrong, could go straight through, but you're a higher probability with you being at the lower end. You've had a breaker structure. You've left a nice engulfing banker's candle behind. Things are looking good. The GJ, same again. If you'd have gone for this candle here, it's quite a big banker's move that. So I put the stop loss at the 88. I know it's just 12, but I've got it set as 88 and 12 on either side. So you're getting a 71, 78 either side of the fib. But if you have to start asking questions, want to know more, then I'll get into all that. But for now, I'm just going to show you what is available. We do have this decisive area here, and we're also in the extreme of the top price line. This is the highest it's ever been, the GJ, this month. So we've had the push. It mitigated this candle, and we pushed off. That is, it's only a 1 to 3, because it was a big stop loss due to the candle size. So I am actually looking for, I've gone into here, going down to the 5 minute, and I've noticed that it hadn't, this engulfing setup here hadn't been touched. So that's what's, I'm sat with I will be sat with a pending, depending on how things go in this area, depending on how things go here. I'll be in office anyway, but by, I don't know, 10 o'clock, I'd like to have seen some nice pushes to this side to come and collect this. And then, like, opposite to the GCAD, I'm looking for it to head down to the lower price level. But market will do what market does. Always use your risk management. GC. So what did that do? It's actually in action right now. Not one I've really looked at today, but that's mitigated from here, literally to the bit, because that's where the breaker structure happened. And a little fumble here. You've probably got a candle back here that's adjacent to. That falls on your 71. Always pick the inside of the candle. That mitigated lovely. And that's currently riding. That's currently at a 1 to 3. But I am looking for it to come and fill these orders up here. So I'll just let that play out and see how it plays out. And the GN. What's happening with the GN today? Oh, we've got a loss. Looks like a loss happening. If you'd have took your safe profit, which would have been there, bottom of that, you'd have got a 1 to 1. But loss has happened. Leave it running. On to the next one. Don't think I'll mark this the way I've. So, because we broke all this structure now, we're at the low end of the monthly. We broke this structure. This has just been broke in the past couple of candles. I'll be looking for it to come back to take these orders back with this nice engulfing setup, and then off to the races. And that, got a 1 to 6 plan for that. I always put this, if that's going up there, I'm looking for it to come down. This can go, it gets moved again in the morning, but this can just go here. Sorry. Okay, yeah. So 1 loss, 5 wins. We got 7, 14, 26, 29, 31, because that was at 3. And that's a loss of 1. So 32% on the first day of market open. Not too bad, eh? So yeah, it's not too bad. 32%. Even if you got a snippet of that, possibilities are endless. We keep saying. Like I say, I'll do one of these most mornings and most evenings. Hopefully someone will get some knowledge, some wisdom from it. I'll see you in the morning. Peace out for now.